there, what's up guys? I want to hope that you're doing okay, as it is my prayer always, every day. I want to hope that you're doing okay. So today guys, I want us to cook matoke together from here in the village in Migori, and let's do this together guys. Let's do this together. So as you can see, my matoke, I'm eating it from the tree because we are not going to cook the whole of the matokes. So I want to pluck some and leave some to continue staying there until the next time we want to cook it. So, and actually it was wise if I started from the top, but you can see I'm so tall, so I have to start from the bottom. So yeah, for this one we don't eat. Actually, I've watched a lot of clips, people who eat this one, but for us we don't, and I would like to try. But my interest is on this. My knife is so sharp, as you can see. I'm using a knife. Actually, if it was a bit lower, I would have used my hand. Right out a garden, like organic matokes. Hey! Okay. Wait, check up. Wait, check up. So guys, as we are dealing with bananas, remember it has some like liquid which is so dangerous to clothes, especially your special clothes. Don't deal with the bananas when you are in your special clothes, because this liquid actually, whenever it touches it stains the clothes, and the stain is so stubborn to wash out. So just put on your simple clothes that you use at home, that whenever the cloth that if it is stained, it can't give you stress. Oh shit! Guys, I finally gave up that the banana is too far. Like, no, I can't reach it. So let me seek for some help from my mom. Maybe she's a bit taller than me. So yeah. There are two ways of peeling bananas. I know maybe some of you don't know. There is this style of peeling with a knife like this, which most of you know, like those in the cities. This is the way you peel your bananas. But in the village, we have our own local way. Let me show you in the next banana. Like this way, yes, it looks like, I don't know whether it's simple. I don't know whether it's, I don't know. Yeah, this is the city style. And most people use that style. But in the village, like my mom, would prefer you doing this way. Because actually this way, you won't lose a lot of banana. So like this, then you peel like this way. Most people don't like this style because it stains their nails, but this way you can't lose a lot of bananas, guys. So let me continue peeling, and I'll bring you on when my phone has charged. Yeah, I use my phone to record videos, so yeah. So guys, because yeah, I have to remove the dry ones. So guys, this is how I'm removing my stains, the stains from my hands, using ash. Still stains here. Can you see my matoke? Actually, where I come from the highland, this is one of our staple. Despite of ugali being a staple food in East Africa, this also is one of our staple food here. And yeah, like us from the highland, we value matoke so much, so this is one of our favorite. So guys, thank you for watching to this point. I hope that you have a nice evening, and it's afternoon actually, a nice afternoon, and yeah, be safe. Toodles.